How to clear cache of Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to clear the cache of it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, find the settings application of your mobile phone, just like this. After that, scroll down and here you can find General right here, select it. Then here you can find iPhone storage, tap on it. Then scroll down and find the Lyft app. Then tap on it. Now to clear the cache, tap onto Offload app, just like this, and tap onto Offload app once again. And after doing that, simply don't forget to reinstall it, tap on it. And after doing that, your app will now run more smoother and better. And that's it. This is how you can clear the cache of the Lyft application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.